This video will show some different type of pinafore dresses. You can stitch one for your lovely daughter for the Christmas. Pinafore dress, there is a white color blouse inside and the top part neckline is finished with the green piping, and there are buttons on the side seam and decorated hemming part with the green frill. This pinafore dress is finished with the string on the front and with the white blouse with light frill, and on the this is with full sleeve, and on the sleeve it is here is elastic and the gather created here like frills. So this is one more pinafore dress with white sweater inside, and the front part is open with A-line pinafore dress. Here is measurement calculation. You can note it down or you can save. This is the drafting part. This is the drafting instructions for the pinafore. For blouse, and the sleeve. Some leftover points of sleeve and cutting instructions and the sewing instructions for pinafore and blouse. The drafting for the top part, that is 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 will be the length, half of the chest plus 2 inch, that is the low waist length, so it will be very comfortable. 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 is the total width, that is 1/4 of the chest plus 1 inch for ease and half inch for seam. 0 to 4 is the half of the shoulder measurement plus 1/4 inch. 4 to 5 is half inch down for the shoulder depth. 0 to 6 is chest divided by 12 for the neck width. 0 to 7 is the same for the back neck length. 0 to 8 for the front neck length, that is 1/12 of the chest measurement plus 1 inch. Draw 6 and 7 for back neck shape and 6 and 8 for the front neck shape. 0 to 9 is 1/4 of the chest, that is for the armhole length. Same is 2 to 10. 9 to 10 is total width, the same which we have taken 0 to 2. Blouse part on 1, 3, 10 with the back armhole shape on 13, 5, 6 and back neck shape 7. Back part, to cut front part on another folding paper or fabric, draw the outline and redraw the front neckline shape and the armhole shape and cut for the front part 1, 3, 10 with front armhole shape 14, 5, 6 and front neck length 8. This is the easiest way to draw a sleeve, that is 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 is the length, maybe 3/4 length or full length, because with the pinafore dress short sleeve won't look nice. So measure the length 3/4 or full. 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 is the total width, that is 1/4 of the chest plus half inch. 4 is the middle point of 0 to 2. 4 to 5 is half inch down. 6 is the middle point of 0 to 4. 6 to 7 is 1/4 inch. 5 to 8 is 1 inch. 2 to 9 is same as 2 to 4. Mark the point. Join 9, 5, 7 and 0 with straight scale, and same way join 9, 8, 7 for the front armhole shape. 1 to 10 will be the half of the elbow measurement plus half inch for ease and half inch for seam. If you want loose, then go for 1 inch for ease and half inch for seam. Join 10 to 9. Draw smooth shape on 5, 7 and 8 to draw armhole shapes. Cut sleeve on 1, 10, 9, 5, 7 and 0 with the back armhole shape. Open fold and cut front armhole shape on 9, 8 and 7. Pinafore part on 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 will be the length. You can take it from the ready frock measurement or chest measurement or chest plus 2 or 4. 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 will be the total flare measurement, that is 1/4 of the chest plus 4 inch. Join 1, 3, 2, 0. 0 to 4 shoulder measurement will be the same as in blouse. 4 to 5 will be the half inch down. 0 to 6 1/12 of the chest plus half inch. 0 to 7 will be the 1/12 of the chest plus 1.5 to 2 inch for the neck length. Here the neck length will be same for front and back. Draw neck shape on 6 to 7. 0 to 8 is the armhole length, that is 1/4 of the chest plus half inch. Same here it is on 4 to 11. 8 to 9 will be the measurement of 1/4 of the chest plus 1.5 inch for ease and half inch for seam. 1 to 3 is the total width. Join 3 with 9 as per shape. 12 is the middle point of 4 to 11. Draw back armhole shape on 12 to 9. 12 to 13 is half inch inside. Draw front armhole shape on 4, 13 and 9. For part on 1, 3, 9, 12, 5, 6 and 7 with back armhole shape. Separate front and back part and cut front armhole shape on 9, 13 and 5. To decorate pinafore dress with piping, or you want to finish the neckline with collar or different type of sleeve or something, then you can search it in Home Tailoring by Kusum Sharma. You can find all the videos and you can follow. Want to use two different type of fabric, then and if it is one is plain and another is printed, then always stitch plain fabric with for the blouse and the pinafore with the printed one. Step of stitching of blouse part is to finish the opening. If it is on front or back, so finish the opening part with plackets and then join the shoulder of front and back part to finish the neckline with collar or piping as you wish. Finish the bottom of the sleeve this way plain, or you can do with gather. So you can use the strip with the pinafore fabric. If you wish, you can choose the fabric for the collar and the sleeve bottom, the fabric of pinafore dress. After finishing the sleeve bottom, join sleeve with the blouse. If you want, you can stitch the gather on the shoulder part. Stitch side seam along with the sleeve and finish the bottom part with folding the edges and stitch. For the pinafore, join front and back shoulder. Here there is no opening part because the neckline of front and back part are same and very easy and comfortable to wear. Finish the armhole shape and the neckline with piping if you wish. Join two sides of pinafore dress with front and back part and finish the bottom with fold and stitch, or you can decorate it with the frill. It's also ready. So here the pinafore dress is ready to wear.